Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. All you will need is one piece of paper and your hands. First, you'll fold it in half, long ways, or some people like to say it hot dog style. Make sure it lines up, and then crease it thoroughly. Then you'll open it back up, or you can just keep it out and then make a triangle all the way down to the line and crease. So it looks like this. And repeat on the other side. And you will do the same thing on both sides again. So you make a bigger triangle, and it goes down like this. And after that, you'll be doing one more time on both sides. So that looks like this. Now you can style it any way you want, coloring it, or like even cut the wing a little bit a couple times on the side to make it look cool, or any way you want. It's your plane. You can even fold these up right here. On both sides to make it look cool. And there you have it. Your plane. Now I'm going to show you how it flies.